Hi Anand, I thought we'll talk about the Broadcom VMware deal today. This is the second largest deal for this year after Microsoft has acquired
Activation
Activision,
Blizzard.
Blizzard,
Yeah,
yes. So I thought we'll dive into this and talk about it. So what is your take on this? Why is
I
Broadcom, it's a
thought,
chip manufacturer?
I talked about this about 3, 4 days back.
Tell me.
And at that time, the speculation was it would be $50 billion. But the actual price has turned out to be
61.
$61 billion.
Cash and stocks.
Yeah. So this is at a huge premium to what is VMware's current market price. Peak valuation was 40% higher.
Correct.
They have bought it at peak valuation.
Correct.
So VMware guys are making a lot of money.
Correct.
Now VMware doesn't have a owner. When Michael Dell took Dell private and acquired EMC, along with Silver Lakes, he acquired this company. So Michael Dell is the largest shareholder of
VMware.
VMware,
Yeah.
along with Silver Lake, which has a minority stake. Together, they own 40% of the stock or 38.6% of the stock. I'm not exact, somewhere in that number. So if they are supporting the deal will go through.
Yes, what they've offered the VMware shareholders is to receive
50%.
anywhere between $142 in cash or a quarter share in Broadcom's common stock for each
So,
share they own in VMware.
so basically, what they are saying is half and half.
Hmm.
Forget the legal jumbo.
Hmm.
50% in cash,
Hmm.
50% in VMware shares. And there is a debt of $8 billion
Yes, $8 billion of debt is there
in VMware,
net
which
debt,
they
yeah,
will acquire.
which will take over.
Yeah. And Broadcom, in turn, has talked to build financiers and has got money for $32 billion to buy this.
Okay,
So that's the kind of money they expect to pay out.
okay,
That's why I'm saying 50% cash, 50% in VM stock.
yes,
They also have Broadcom has a software group,
Hmm.
which will be now known as VM Software Group.
Hmm.
So this is an end-to-end cloud
Solution.
solution company.
Hmm.
Broadcom was owned by a Malaysian American tycoon,
Correct.
Todo Per,
Hmm.
Chinese guy. So when he tried to acquire Nvidia first
Correct.
and become a very big chip player,
Correct.
Donald Trump stopped them from doing it,
Yes,
citing national security issues.
correct.
Now this fellow has been trying to grow,
Correct.
and things are getting bad. So valuations on both sides are going to get slaughtered. So these guys want to consolidate it into one company. So it's a hardware plus software buy for this.
Correct.
Something like this was on the cards
Hmm.
because the current CEO of Intel,
Patrick.
Patrick P. Gelsinger, from Intel moved to VMware, made it very successful. And then when he was given an opportunity to run Intel again,
Hmm.
he left that to join back Intel.
Hmm.
So VMware has declined since then. So VMware in combination with Broadcom, one, it will give a lot of money to Mr. Dell,
Correct. He's going to be flush with funds.
flush with funds. And when the deal is done, 88% of the company will be owned by Broadcom shareholders,
Correct.
12% by VM shareholders, and one third of that will be with Michael Dell. So Michael Dell will have 4% of Broadcom, plus he will have a lot of cash,
So that's the main reason he's
free
agreed to this.
cash. No, he is the chairman of the board. I don't think he wants to run any more companies. Already he had to take Dell private once,
Correct.
turn it around and bring it back. So I don't think he wanted to do it. And so he saw an opportunity to exit at the highest price
Yes.
where it
That's
was
true.
traded.
Correct.
And it does definitely, NASDAQ correction is not over.
Correct.
There will be deeper correction. So if it gets to, it's now 92, it gets to 60, but still you are paid 140.
Correct.
You would love taking it.
Correct.
For Broadcom, it's moving into complementary areas. They're only a chip company.
Plus, they get access to all their clients.
They access to their clients, and it's moved into complementary directions. Normally, such acquisitions don't work.
Hmm.
This is forming a conglomerate. This is something like eBay buying PayPal and later spinning PayPal as a separate company. I think right now Broadcom will buy it and Broadcom will attempt to grow it. And somewhere around 3, 4 years down the line, Broadcom will spin off his software division as a separate group. Because I don't think they can focus and they can do
both.
They
In
can do
tandem.
both in tandem. But I think this is a defensive move, value accretion to stem the fall in Broadcom stocks.
It's also a way of defending the company, also, right?
Okay. And the other thing, what Broadcom has been doing, 50% of the free cash flow it generates
Hmm.
has gone to pay dividends.
Correct.
So even now they are saying they'll keep the debt. They won't square it off. Whatever profits they generate, instead of bringing down debt, they'll pay 50% as dividends. So they are doing two things, like we discussed yesterday or day before I discussed. Investors prefer companies which give dividends,
Dividends compared to, yes.
buybacks. So what he is saying is, even if I buy this company, I have debt to pay it off. I'll have $40 billion debt. Whatever profits I'm making, that will not be used to bring down the debt. 50% may be used to bring down debt. 50% is basically for
Investors.
investors' dividend. So I think it's more a market related move where Dell was looking to lock his money at
Releases
140, releases money, exit route for Dell, and for Broadcom to be seen not as a pure tech company,
as a chip
but
company.
as a
and-
hardware company, but as a company which has end-to-end solutions.
Okay. So do you see this as a going trend now in the market? Do you think where people will head?
I think as the value drops,
Hmm.
you will see as the value of stocks drop,
Hmm.
there is going to be consolidation. See, because this is not the end of the market fall. This is not the
Yes,
bottom.
we just seen the bounce happen. Right?
It's only a strong bear market rally across the world.
Correct.
The fundamentals have not changed.
Yes, there's no change in the fundamentals.
Inflation is still difficult.
Yes, and nor have the central banks raised interest rates to.
Enough to destroy demand. So there will be this current weakness in the market will continue. So I see it as a response to that and as a defensive strategy. And I won't be surprised 5 years from now if this software group is spun off as a separate
company
company,
sold off.
sold out. I won't be surprised. I think that's what is going to happen.
Okay. So anyway, there's something interesting to watch.
Yeah.
Let's see what else happens this year.
So basically, he's going to take $32 billion
Yeah.
in debt and $32 billion, $30 billion, or $29 billion in equity is going to be issued.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's going to be interesting.
Okay. Thank you for watching Be Rich. I hope you found this detail on Broadcom VMware merger interesting. We'll keep you posted on what's happening in further events. Thank you for watching Be Rich. If you like this content, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the bell notification. If you don't turn on the bell notification, you will be not notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support to Be Rich. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.